This is an old work electrician's box. I'm going to use this box to install the new outlet. To find the height, we're going to use an electrician's hammer. We are going to put it there, rest the box on top, and trace out a pencil line. We do this in pencil so that it never bleeds through any paint in the future. Going to mount, we have a hole cut here for an old work box. We're going to mount this old work box and stick it in the hole. First we need to knock out one of these tabs here to accept the wire. There we go. Now the wire goes in the hole, slides through there, and the box gently fits in here. These two screws get tightened up. This will suck the box up into the wall. Sometimes you need to pull the ears down. There's little arms that come there and grab it, little toggles. And this is how you install an old work box. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. For more information, go to generation3electric.com.